I'm back and it's Christmas Day and I wanted to show you my best present I got. A new paintball gun. I do not have any CO2 yet. I got no CO2, so can't do anything about that. And I think it's a really good gun. It's a nice spider paintball gun, barrel. So this is a good gun. I can't really shoot it right now because I got no CO2 and it's the middle of winter. I got lots of paintballs. If you notice, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's red balls here, and it's telling me that it is filled. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's filled. Got safety off on right now. Now it's off. You can do just about anything with the trigger. It is a good gun, I believe. It comes with a mask for safety, so you don't kill yourself. And I believe it's a really good gun. So, talk your parents into getting a paintball gun. They're really, really fun. Just takes a lot of work to keep up with CO2, keep up with paintballs. And then there's a socket so you can shoot it if the paintball just hits it and splatters. So that's all. Remember, BMAT 630. I'll call this my brand new paintball gun.